friends, I'm Miss Havens, and today we're going to practice a strategy that will help you become better readers. And that strategy is use chunks you know. What is a chunk? A chunk is a word part that you are familiar with. Now, by looking for those chunks that you know and applying the sounds to the other parts of the word, you will be able to figure out unfamiliar words. We're going to practice a little bit of that, and then I am going to ask you to find some 1B books in bookshelf and practice this strategy. Let's start with our chunks that we know, and these are some of our power words. We have am, at, an, and, all, it, in, up, eat, and out. And if you look, I do have all of our familiar chunks underlined just to save us some time. So we're just going to practice reading a few of these words, and I think I might have too many words, but we'll see how it goes. So let's start with am. Am says am. Here is am. Start on the left because we always read and write from left to right. Am. Slam. Am. Clam. Amp, clamp. So as you can see, we're putting sounds in the beginning of the chunk and sounds at the end of the chunk. But the chunk is the familiar part. Amp, champ. Stamps, stamps. Now we move to at. At, rat. At, brat. At, chat. Ats, chats. At, that. Full, at, flat. Over to an. An, ran. Pull, an, plan. Pull, an, plans. And van. Get that tongue sticking out. Over to and. Now if you look at and actually has the chunk of an in it with a D at the end. And, band. And, hand. Ands, hands. And, brand. And, stand. Ands, stands. And now we have all. All, call. All, fall. Alls, falls. All, small. Very good. Now what I'm going to ask you to do is to pause the video right here, and I want you to go through it, in, up, eat, and out. And I just want you to use your finger and go through and read every word. It, fit, it, skit, and do it with each one. And when you're done, you can go back through and you can practice reading all of the words and see if you get faster and faster. After you do the word reading, you can go into bookshelf, which you'll find on the Eastview homepage, and there's lots of 1B books. Here are some of the books that are using these power words specifically. Who Can I Call? Dan Gets a Cat. Let's Quit. Slam Bam Sam. Dan Gets a Call. And The Grand Scam. Those are just a few of the books, but the important thing to remember is look for those familiar chunks and read the word, okay? I will hopefully see you soon. Happy reading. Bye-bye.